Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Leticia, and if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. If you clicked on this video, thank you. I hope you find this video helpful. The plan was to buy this grid and I went everywhere looking for it. I went to Home Depot, I went to I think it's called Office Max, to Lowe's. I could not find this wall grid anywhere, so I decided to make it myself, and when I completed it, I was just so proud of myself. For me, it was quite the challenge, but maybe it'll be easier for you. Give it a try. These wall grids I've been seeing pretty much everywhere lately. They just make a really cute decoration, really cool decoration for your room, for your bedroom, or for your office. You can just get creative with it. I personally used this wall grid because I wanted to create a vision board. But yeah, I was so happy with the outcome of this project, and if you are interested in knowing how to create this wall grid, keep watching. The two main things that you are going to need is, of course, wire and some strong Gorilla Glue, some metal glue. On one side of the wire, you are going to clamp it to anything you can find in your home to keep that side still. On the other end of the wire, you are going to twist the tip so it looks like this. That tip is going to go in the drill just like this. What we're going to do is spin the wire with the drill until the wire straightens. I used 18 pieces cut to 80 centimeters each. I then start gluing the outside first. I am going to measure and mark every 10 centimeters of all four sides, and then I start gluing first the vertical sides.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that
I flipped the grid over once the glue had dried to put the horizontal sides
I just want
to match the horizontal sides I had put already.
to always be.
I let my glue to dry overnight, and the next day my grid is ready to hang and to decorate. I went to Pinterest, picked out some cool pictures that I really liked and that reminded me of some of my personal goals that I want to accomplish.
Let's stay in love. Let's stay here. Let's stay here in love.
You know, you can hang anything on it. You can hang your your glasses, you can hang your necklaces. Get creative with it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!